Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the crude is moving and how the crude can move in the next month. See, if you look at the chart, we can see crude is in continuous uptrend. Okay, so what we have to understand here is that the crude is moving in a particular range. Once this range is break upside, then we can expect that it can make a further move upside, which I'll show you. Look at here, this is a big resistance point that once it break a level of 66.49, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 71 also, because we cannot see a good resistance here stopping at before 70.85, and then we can see a level of 71.74. So I have made this is a 5-year chart, but I'm showing you from 2018. See, if you look at this chart, we can see that the price of is moving in a particular range. Okay, so this is a strong support here. If it crosses a level of 68, okay, if it crosses the level of 68, then we can expect that it can touch a level of once it crosses a level of 66.21, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 71 also. But before that, if it now the price is moving around 64.36, so once this level, suppose if it crosses a level of 66, okay, we can see 66.49, then because it is already tested twice, okay, what level is tested twice? It around 67 is tested twice. So once the level at 66.21 is cross upside, then it is coming close to resistance, that is 67.58. Once this 67.58 is touched, because it is already tested twice, there is probability that it can go and touch a level of 71.4. okay, once 71.4 is touched, then we can expect it can touch a level of 74 also. Okay. If you have any doubt regarding your crude position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com or a mail ID link in the description. Please watch the full video. If you want to join my Telegram channel, you can join, link in the description. This range is break upside, or if it breaks downside, suppose if it goes below 61.3, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 61. Once 61 is touched, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 60 also, and from there we can see a level of 59.94. okay, because we can see the strong support at around 57. okay, because it has already made, I'll show you the month also, around 22 March it has made a low of around 59, okay, 56, and it has tested already twice here at this level. okay, so once this level is crossed downside, then we can see a further downside movement, which can come to around 53 also, but 54 also, but it has to stay below 57. If it can touch a low 56 also. okay, so once 56 is crossed downside, then we can expect that it can touch a low 55 also, too, with a big resistance it at around 54. okay, so what we have to expect in the next month? Suppose if the price of crude goes above 64.85, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 66.21. Once 66.21 is touched, then we can expect that it is near to its high. okay, so once it crosses 66, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 67 also, but 67 is already tested twice. Then there is a probability that it can move further high and can touch a level of 70. okay, before that we can expect that it can touch a level of 69.49, and from there it can touch a level of 70.58. okay, so what we have to understand here is that this trend is our upside now. okay, so where any fall till 58, we are on an upside movement, because it is a big resistance point. If I show you a 1 month chart, See, if you look at this chart, we can see that after making a low of around 60.6, it is continuously in uptrend. Okay, once this uptrend, okay, so we can see the support at a level of 64.36 at this level. Okay, once this level is crossed downside, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 63.76 to a level of 63.25, because we can see a cup pattern is forming once it touches a resistance of 63.56, and if it cross downside, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 62 also, 62.31. but as of now what we can see is that if as of now from 29th March we can see a downtrend. 29th March we can see here is covering, short covering, because we can see that there is continuous uptrend, and if we look at 6-month chart also, it is continuously in uptrend. So if we look at 6-month chart also, it is continuously in uptrend. Okay, so but before that, if it stays above a level of 63.86, then we can expect that it can touch a new high of around 65. Okay, but this is a strong resistance because it is already tested here once, and if it goes below that level, then again it will become a resistance. So we can expect that if it stays above 64.26, then we can expect that it can touch a new high, or if it goes below 63.47, then there is chances that it can touch a level of 62.29 also, and from there we can expect that it can touch a level of 60.53. okay, but what I have shown you that the continuous uptrend, if we look at a longer view, the price of crude is continuously in uptrend, but as of now we can see that there is some volatility in the crude prices. So what I would suggest that if you are trading for intraday, then you should be doing a proper price action strategy. But as of now, if you are looking for a longer view, then we can see that there is trend is an upside. Okay, because see, look at this only, and after this particular range is break, then only we can expect that there is further movement upside or downside. So if it goes below 60.78, or if it 60.48, or if it goes below a level of 58, if it stays below 60, then only we can expect that it can go downside. But otherwise what we can see after in this particular range, that the price has moved up, and after making its all-time high, it is moving in a particular range. So once this range is break, if it stays above 64, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 66 also, and then from there it can touch a level of 67 also. So, and if it goes below a level of 62.33, then it can touch a level of 60 also. Once if it's 60, and if this 60 is break downside and stays below this level, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 57 also. But I don't expect that it can touch this level, but if it crosses this level, then we can see a further downside movement. But as of now, if we are looking for a longer view, we can see that it is in the uptrend. So if it comes below 60.60, then only we will be on the selling side, otherwise we are on the buying side. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.